Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 13th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating below the previous day close on all E-minis during the Asian session, and it started to go up and retest this level during the London session, but it couldn't hold and the sellers came back and pushed the price lower after the news release. And if we look at the 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening had some small pullbacks and retested this level, and it got rejected and the sellers pushed the price lower below the previous day's low. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the price tests the support level and the buyers come back, take a long position in a well-established uptrend, or when the price have a deep pullback and retest the major resistance level, take a sell short position in a well-established downtrend. So that's what happened, and around 10 o'clock when the price was testing the previous day low on Nasdaq and buyers came back on all E-minis, I took long position here with setup B, 2 positions on Nasdaq, 2 on Dow Jones and 2 on S&P 500, and these long positions were closed on the upper area of the channel with profit, as you see here. And since the volatility was high and we reached the daily target, I stopped trading on this account. And if we look at the stats, we see that it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 6 long positions taken, with the average winning trades of 412 and the largest winning trade of $635. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures profit accounts. And for the small 5K CFD profit accounts, these are the trades that I have taken today, and these are the swing trades that were closed also today. These trades were taken mainly on Dow Jones and S&P 500. The market was extremely choppy during the London session and also New York market session because of lots of geopolitical and tariff related news and tweets. So as you see, most trades were closed with profit, and the swing trades that we had because of unexpected geopolitical news and sudden reversal was closed with a stop loss. So with these trades today, we reached a total balance of $80.01 with profit factor about 1.7. And this shows the equity curve of the account from the beginning, which is increasing consistently. But due to a lot of unexpected geopolitical news and tweets which are not scheduled and cause sudden reversal and high volatility, we had some drawdown here, and our active drawdown of the account reached around 1.2%. So as I mentioned earlier, the market before had normal volatility, but in the past few weeks it's highly volatile, and you can see that in 4-hour macro charts that has lots of shadow and quick reversal and much larger range of candles than before, which was very smooth. So since the account has no time limit to finish and we don't have performance pressure, we're gonna take less trade on this account to finish the second stage of challenge and wait for the time when the volatility is normal and the market shows a smooth price action behavior. So I'll keep you updated on any trades that I'm gonna take on this account as usual. So hope these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures profit accounts and also the small CFD profit account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.